Well, here we go. Welcome back to part 2, guys. So, I got a rolling chassis now. I put my hydrostatic transmission from my LP1000 in the rear. I'm actually going to put smaller tires on it than this, so, yeah. But I have a rolling chassis. It is a little, but it didn't matter. I'm going to put on the rear cover thing real quick. Let me get it real quick. I don't know. Here we go. We got to do that. Well, of course it is. Kind of more like that. Just kidding. I'm not going to put it there. It would be cool, though. I ain't got 6 springs on it. I'm also going to saw that off some. I'm going to cut it across the back. I'll saw that across here. Reason why is because this is my crappy one, and it's got a few rust holes in it. This is off the 4000 series. You know, that video is actually almost 1 year old now. I've had it a year. Of course, it's actually, where is it? It's right there on the ground. I'm actually probably gonna scrap it again. I know, I was gonna bring it back, but I changed my mind, because I think a truck mower would be more handy than that pile of junk. But I gotta put the Kohler from that over onto this. Sucker is tall. I didn't realize how tall it was gonna be. But at least I have a lot of ground clearance. I could also put bigger tires in the front. I could leave those on there and put my 20x8s on the front. It'd give it a little more lift in the front. It might not look so weird. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.